This week in the BAS Disassembly hangar, we have a Beechcraft B95A.
Now we've got both Lycoming IO-360-B1B engines, but they were prop struck when this aircraft landed wheels up on the runway. We're also going to recover a Garmin GNS 430W GPS unit, an S-Tec 50 Autopilot, a Garmin GTX 345 Transponder, the cabin doors, the upper cowling, the spinner dome and bulkhead, the nose cone, rudders, horizontal stabilizer, the nose gear assembly, the seats and the interior are all in fantastic condition, and we'll have lots of Beech B95A parts available on the store very soon.